Hello friends, today we will understand the two key pillars of the economy, that is industry and infrastructure. So what is industry? An industry refers to the group of businesses or enterprises involved in production of goods or services. It converts raw materials into finished products, machines, and technology and labor helps in making finished products. Industries are engine of economic growth because they create jobs, boost export, support other sectors. Types of industries. First is primary industries, which is based on natural resources, for example, mining, agriculture, fishing, etc. Second is secondary industry, converts raw materials into finished goods. Examples are iron and steel, textile, automobile industries. Third is tertiary industry, provides services, for example, banking, IT, transport. Examples are automobile industry in India like Tata Motors and Maruti Suzuki manufactures car and commercial vehicles. It provides employment, supports small component markets, and boosts exports. Infrastructure meaning and example. Infrastructure refers to the basic physical and organizational structure needed for the functioning of an economy. It includes roads, railways, power supply, communication system, water, education, healthcare, and the like facilities. Infrastructure is called the foundation of economic development. So, types of infrastructure are economic infrastructure, which directly support production, for example, power, transport, communication, banking. Social infrastructure improves quality of life, examples, schools, hospitals, housing, sanitation. So, examples of infrastructure, we can take the Golden Quadrilateral Highway project in India connects major cities Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. It improved trade, reduced travel time, and promoted industrial development along the route. Relationship between industry and infrastructure can be discussed as industries need good infrastructure, roads, power, transport to function efficiently. Infrastructure grows with industrialization because government invests more to support factories and trade. For example, the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor (DMIC) combines both new industries and modern infrastructure like road, rail links, and logistics hubs. So both industry and infrastructure are essential for sustainable economic development. Industries create goods and jobs, while infrastructure provides the backbone that keeps the economy running smoothly. Please like and subscribe my channel.